If you're new to Temu, you've probably heard about the incredible deals they offer. But did you know that new users get access to exclusive perks like discounts and even free gifts? Honestly, when I first signed up, I was blown away by how much I saved just by using the right codes and links. The best part, you don't have to figure it all out on your own. I'll guide you through the exact steps to claim your new user perks quickly and easily. And here's the thing, don't just go straight to the App Store or the website. If you want to unlock the best bonuses, including some exclusive offers you won't find anywhere else, use my special link or QR code. Let's dive in and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so step 1, use my link or QR code. The first and most important step is using the right link or QR code. If you go directly to Temu's website or App Store page, you might miss out on those hidden perks that are only available through exclusive links like mine. Click the link in the description or pinned comment, or scan the QR code you see on the screen. This guarantees that your account will be set up with bonuses like extra discounts, welcome coupons, and even free gifts. Once you've clicked or scanned, you'll be redirected to download the app or straight to Temu's site with your perks pre-applied. Step 2, download the app and create your account. Once you've followed the link or QR code, download the Temu app if you haven't already. It's quick to install and works on both iPhone and Android devices. Next, create your account. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or even connect with Google or Facebook. It's totally up to you. And here's the best part. If you've used my link or QR code, your welcome bonuses are automatically applied to your account. That means no extra steps, no searching for codes. They're just there, ready to go. Step 3, check out your perks. Once you've signed up, head to the coupons section in the app or website. This is where you'll find all the perks you've unlocked, including your new user discounts. You might see percentage off deals, dollar off coupons, or even free gift offers. And because you use my exclusive link, you'll likely find bonus deals that other users won't have access to. Simply tap save or claim on the ones you want, and they'll be stored in your account for when you're ready to shop. Step 4, shop and apply your perks. Now comes the fun part, shopping. Temu has everything from home goods to fashion, gadgets, and more. Add whatever catches your eye to your cart, and keep an eye out for products marked as eligible for coupons or discounts. When you're ready to check out, head to your cart and apply your saved coupons. If you've used my link or QR code, those extra perks and discounts will already be applied. It's a quick and easy way to see your total drop before your eyes. Step 5, redeem free gifts and complete your order. If your perks include free gifts, they'll be added to your cart automatically during checkout. Double check that all your discounts have been applied before completing your order. It's always a good idea to ensure you're maximizing your savings. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully used your new user perks to save money and maybe even score a free gift. Now, you might be wondering why it's so important to use my link or QR code instead of going directly to Temu. The answer is simple, exclusive bonuses. By following my link, you unlock extra deals and perks that aren't available to everyone. Plus, using my code guarantees that you're accessing the official Temu app or website. With so many shopping platforms out there, it's good to know you're in the right place and you're getting the best deals available. If you're new to Temu, there's no better way to start than by claiming your welcome perks. From discounts to free gifts, these bonuses make shopping even more rewarding. And by using my exclusive link or QR code, you're making sure you get access to the best deals available. So don't wait. Click the link in the description or pinned comment, or scan the QR code now to get started. Your next shopping spree is just a tap away. And with these perks, you'll save more than you ever thought possible.